Alright, this is my 2012 bike check. Start off at the front. Odyssey Griswold grips in like strawberry. Odyssey power ends. Fit Sky Highs. 28 rise. And then 28 width. I think they're like 8.25 rise. Verde Cartel stem. Verde Cartel FSA headset. Fly pedals, Reuben. Eclat tibia cranks. Shadow one piece. PC. Back for pegs, I have Primo front and back. Wheels. For the front, I have the Fly front. Red Primo spokes. And Odyssey quadrant rim. And Animal GHL. ASM tire in the back. Red Primo spokes. We the People Supreme hub with a Odyssey 7K rim. Stolen class ring sprocket. Shadow half link and some of my cents.